PartEase app allows users to do partial renewal of service contract by manually selecting the specific contract lines they want to renew. With PartEase, customers can now renew contract lines from different service contracts which are associated with the same account as per their need. Let me give you a demo of PartEase application. As you can see, I have opened a account record in which we have two service contracts and we want to renew some lines from both the service contracts. So first of all, we will go to the service contract record. As you can see, I have opened a service contract record, and from here we have to click on PartEase button. If the PartEase button is not visible to you, then you have to go to service contract object, then click on page layout, then choose the assigned page layout. So this is the page layout which I have assigned. Now after clicking on that, you have to click on mobile and lightning actions, and here you can see on mobile and lightning action we have dragged PartEase button, quick action button from here to this section, and then click on save. Once you add the PartEase quick action button, then that button will be visible on the service contract record page. Now let me show you the number of contract line items on both the service contracts. So on the first one, we have around 29 CLIs contract line items, and the renew date is empty for all of them. And also for the second one, we are having 10 contract line items with renew date as empty. Now let's renew the service contract. I am renewing the service contract with 10 contract line items by clicking on this PartEase button. So once we click on PartEase button, a pop-up will appear. It will ask, did you really want to create renewal opportunity? We will click on OK. Add a opportunity will be created. As you can see, this opportunity is created, and this is the contract number for which the opportunity is created. Now we have to click on the code, and as you can see, the type of code is renewal, and also the renewed service contract number is 40. Now let's click on edit lines. After that, you have to click on this drop down and select renew subscription. Once you click on renew subscription, all the contract line items of both the service contract of the account A101 will be visible. As you can see, here are 39 contract line items which are visible, and you can also see these 29 lines are from the contract with contract number 31, and the rest are from 40. We can also able to filter from them. So let me filter the lines of the service contract from which we have created the renewal opportunity. Click on apply, and we will only see the CLIs of that service contract. Let me choose first 5 CLIs and click on select. Also, let's add some CLIs from the other service contract also. So once it's done, we will add those lines also. Again, I will click on review subscription, and from the 39, I will choose 5 lines. Click on select. Once you have selected the service contract line items which you want to renew, then click on save. After that, we will be redirected to the code. Let's go back to the opportunity and make it as contracted. Edit and make the opportunity contracted. Save. And let's refresh the renewal opportunity to see if the service contract has been created or not. So as you can see, the service contract has been created. Let's see the CLIs and other details. So service contract is created within the same account, and we should be seeing 10 uh, contract line items. As you can see, these are the 10 contract line items. And also if we go back to the service contract and see the renew date, it will be changed for the CLIs for which we have selected. So these are the 5 CLIs of the service contract number 39. And let me also show you of the second one. So from here also we have selected 5 CLIs. So for those 5 CLIs, the renew date should be populated. So the renew date is populated. So that's it. That's how PartEase application works.